Okay. So this is the behavior tree for the character AI, which I've put on some states for it. So we have escaping, we have defending, we have attacking, and passive state. Now, all of these states are have one specific task in mind. So, for example, this one says, which is defending, if the player character or the enemy character comes too close to the enemy NPC, the NPC will try to defend itself by attacking. But on the attacking state, if if the state is equal to attacking, what it does is that the NPC just straight goes into the enemy because the NPC wants to attack its enemy. For example, here, so if this was equal to defend range, I want to set the movement mode to jogging and move to target actor, which is exactly what we want. Now, this is for the focus. We want to focus to the target actor here, and we want to switch our mode to walking, and then we're gonna make a query, EQS query, so it strafes around the character. This was what I was doing today, and I've made this all. It still has a lot of things to do, and it still has a lot of problems. But for the first day, I do think that this is an okay start because most of the things are done. For example, the basic movement system is done, which takes a lot of time for other games, but it's done here,
Okay.
everything. The enemy can, of course, see me, start coming and attacking, and now it doesn't do anything because I told it to do nothing. But uh, a couple of hours from now, this is going to be a finished, not a finished, but a very basic finished prototype for our game. A couple of hours, like 5, 6 hours. I'm gonna make this actually a combat system with parrying and blocking and all of this. And but the movement system itself is basically done. We don't have to do anything about it anymore. Now for the combat system, we have to basically apply sound effects and all of the required visual effects as well. And that those don't take that long to do. And there are a couple of errors here, which I'm going to fix. But
And you're quick
after
making getting that right.
everything, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And as you can see, the FPS, so let me just close this. As you can see, the FPS is running smoothly. It's 125 on Epic settings. So this is, well, in my opinion, it's optimized.
Yeah, and this game doesn't really need
And
anything higher than like 60 or 90.
yeah, 90 FPS, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So, um, yeah, these are the only things. And of course, the uh, systems. Let me just show you them. Show you.
Sure.
So these are the systems, all of these systems, and we have armor system, character data, combat, inventory, stats for the health and everything. So these are just the codes and everything for it. And
Yeah, so quite a
these
lot's
this
been
is
done
for
in
the
just a couple
weapons.
of days.
Well, we started yesterday. So yeah, I told Moon that the project wasn't going well because of how many assets there were in the actual project, and it was very unoptimized, and optimizing it could take 1 to 2 months, and it wasn't even guaranteed. So I told them that I'm gonna start over. So I just came to this project like uh, 4 days ago, and this is my first day on the project actually programming. And so this is everything done in just the first day. So yeah.
Yeah, you've made a lot of progress in one day. So what comes next for what we're working on?
Well, first I am going to fix the errors and debug it so we have no bugs left. Then I am going to fix the character AI. And after that, we just have to apply some visual effects and damaging system, like hit and reaction system for the enemy. Of course, I have to talk to Moon for that because I really don't know what kind of a reaction system she wants.
Hmm.
But other than that, so that's sound effects, visual effects, a bit of programming, and the basic stuff are just done. And we can move to polishing it, adding features, and adding abilities, UI, which, I don't have to, because I'm not the one who is designing the UI. I'm just putting it inside the game. And so, yeah, basically that's everything that is going to happen in this 1 to 2 weeks. And then after that, depending on the project state, we can start either more polishing or adding more features. Because Moon really wants some features there, like dungeons and like the mechanics are a lot for this game, the potions and everything. Uh,
Yes, the beauty of
and
this game is the
after,
potions.
yeah, yeah, exactly. So after the base combat system and all of these, I'm just gonna add the potions as well. But she's going to act, she must tell me what kind of potion system she wants
Yeah.
because it's really undefined here, and I can't, like make something out of my own imagination, right? It's her game, so she should
Yeah, well,
uh,
let's for this because
say,
this is going to be going in the dev channel
yeah,
for everyone to be able to see. Um,
yeah.
is there anything else that you wanted to show off that we've been working on that we're coming toward completion, or that we've got any kind of a good sense of where we're going with it right now?
So no, this is basically everything that I've done today. And what I'm going to say is that if we keep this pace, we are actually going to have a demo. Of course, I can finish the whole project, and again, depending on what the art state is going to, I think we can finish the project and have a beta or an alpha 1 month from now or 2 months from now.
Okay, well, that's what we're going to shoot for, and hopefully we'll
I
see.
mean, that's only my opinion. Yeah, I haven't talked to the 3D artists as well. I have to talk to them to just get a sense. But on my side, 1 to 2 months is expectable. Yeah, it's expected.
Yeah, it's beautiful, man. I really appreciate that. Well, thanks for the going through on things that you've taken care of. We'll see if we
Yeah,
can't get more of this going.
yeah, okay.
All
Thank
right,
you, man.
thank you.